I need to know from you that what do you think of my fluency? Because it's important to get a feedback from you.
Definitely. I think you speak very well and calmly, and I think you are quite fluent. So it's nice to speak to you, and your vocabulary, you've got quite an, like hitchhiking, for example. Um, yeah, it was unexpected. Like that vocabulary is quite, it's not commonly used except with native
Right.
speakers. So yeah, it was good. It was nice speaking to you. For subscribers to learn, are you going through different lessons?
So it's working like a coin, and every coin has two aspects. So the first one that they can learn vocabularies, they can improve their vocabularies, travel related
Mm,
vocabularies. And on the other hand, if they travel, these vocabularies can help them.
mm. Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Okay, yeah. So visa
Yeah.
process, booking a flight, finding accommodation, creating a budget. Was there anything else that you think is
And
important?
you said
Mm?
jet lag. I got it.
Jet lag, yeah, and
Mm,
time zone.
there's a very
Um,
good word, itinerary. Itinerary.
yes, yeah, itinerary. Good itinerary. Itinerary is great if you are making an itinerary, creating a budget, like planning. Yeah,
In short, it's
I
a
think
it's
also
a
maybe
plan
like
of your
a
trip.
road. Yeah, like a road trip would be a car trip, or a getaway would be a short weekend trip, or you could go for a longer vacation
Right.
or a business trip. Yeah, business trip. Yeah,
And
what do
another
you
word which
usually
is
travel for? Yeah, tell me.
no, as I told you that I don't usually travel. Okay.
Mm.
So I just make plan, or I have planned to travel in future, but right now I'm just working on my schedule, which includes learning.
Mm.
Yes.
You are
And
going to say another vocabulary word. That is good.
okay, I wanted to say hitchhiking. This word is also very popular
Okay.
these days. Hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking. Yeah, that is definitely a word. I do not know how safe hitchhiking is, but
You're right.
yeah, but what do
Sometimes
you
it's
think?
very risky.
Yeah,
Okay, actually,
hitchhiking.
I haven't done it before or ever. I haven't done
I have
hitchhiking
done it
ever.
before.
Oh,
Um,
where did
I
you
was
do
in
that?
Portugal last year,
Oh,
and the town or my accommodation was an hour walk from the main city, but it was a 5 minute drive because it was very
okay.
hilly. So yeah, the hitchhiked going back into town and back down again because the Ubers were not really available. So yeah, it was okay, but the people were very nice.
Actually, I would say that generally a common person does hitchhiking, but it's very short, for a short distance. For
Yes, a
example,
short distance. Yeah.
I live in a village, okay,
Yes.
and sometimes when I wanna go to market, which is far from me, and I just go on a walk, okay, I just go on foot there. But in returning, if you want to come back with the vehicle, using a vehicle, then you can ask somebody for a ride, and
Mm,
it's like short
yeah.
hitchhiking. So hey, can you give me a
Yeah, that's
lift?
definitely like that's like getting a lift. Yeah.
Right.
Getting a lift. I think hitchhiking would be more like with your backpack and you need
More
to get to
longer.
the next town. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a
It's
difference
better
in
to
those two
use it
words.
for a longer distance.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Yeah.
you told me that you're from South Africa.
Yes.
And where are you now?
Now I'm in South Africa. I'm in Cape Town at the moment. And yeah,
Okay.
I'll be traveling again soon in May. So just here for 2 months.
Where are you going? I mean, for traveling.
Um, yeah, I'm going to go to Turkey and Greece and Croatia. So we'll see, go that area for summer while it is winter
Mhm.
here. Yeah. So yeah,
And
definitely
and
travel a lot. Yeah.
and have you traveled to India?
I have not, but it's on my list. I used to live in Vietnam for 6 years,
Hmm.
and I was
Okay.
able to do a lot of Southeast Asia, and India was on the list because it was closer to Vietnam side, India and Sri Lanka, but I did not
Right.
get enough time or the opportunity to go yet. Would you recommend
Because
India?
why not? Why not? Definitely. In fact, I would
Yeah,
say you're always welcome.
yeah, definitely. India looks amazing. My friend goes twice a year to India, so she loves it there.
And I would recommend you that if you want green spots, okay, I mean, if you like
Mm.
greeneries, then
Yes.
you can target. There are two main green spots in India, which is
Mm.
southwest, okay, southwest,
Yes.
and the northeast. Okay, these are main two. So
Okay.
yes, southwest and northeast, right?
Okay.
So you can travel there. You can get beautiful scenery because there are far and wide greenery everywhere. Whole.
Mm. Is it very mountainous or is it quite flat?
Actually, I haven't been there before, to be honest with
Okay.
you. But as I know by the information, by the videos, so yes, in the northeast you will get mountains, but in the
Mm.
southwest, yeah, there are some mountains, but not. It's okay. It's like how to say. Mm, I'm not getting the exact vocabulary to express, but it's not mountain areas.
Mm. It's just green, like vegetation maybe?
Vegetation,
Like, well, I will
green
Google it
vegetation.
quickly. Let's do north, what is it? Northeast? Northeast India. Northeast India. Let's see.
We have
On
just
the map.
few
But
minutes.
yeah,
1 minute left.
yeah, we only. But yeah, it was so nice to speak to you. And
And
yeah,
I need to know from you that what do you think of my fluency? Because it's important to get a feedback from you.
definitely. I think you speak very well and calmly, and I think you are quite fluent. So it's nice to speak to you, and your vocabulary, you've got quite an, like hitchhiking, for example. Um, yeah, it was unexpected. Like that vocabulary is quite, it's not commonly used except with native
Right.
speakers. So yeah, it was good. It was nice speaking to you. How do you feel? Do you feel good?
I feel very nice and hope to talk to you
Mm.
very, very, very soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.